Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I don't have a DIY again because basically my laptop broke here on Friday, and since then I haven't been able to edit a video. So I have been filming but I just can't edit anything, so yeah, I'm kind of just filling in with like updates and kind of unboxings and stuff. Basically everything that I can film with me talking and not having to have a voiceover, so that I can kind of edit it on my phone and still upload. But basically my laptop's supposed to be arriving today. It hasn't yet, and it's now like 3:30 and I upload at 4 PM every day, so I'm just having to kind of film a video now for you as I don't want to kind of let you guys down.
My laptop just arrived. It's now 4:45, so yeah, definitely will have a video coming tomorrow.
So yeah, I've also got a new tripod and it's like right up on my shelves over there, so it's at a slightly different angle than what it is usually. I played around with the settings a little bit today, so hopefully the lighting's a little bit better. My kind of setup, I'm kind of working on it. I'm getting there every day, kind of working out what settings work best, and yeah, I'm just going with it. So hopefully you can bear with me while I get the setup kind of sorted. But today I just wanted to hop on and, you know, basically say a huge thank you for 130,000 subscribers. I think we're now at 131 actually as of this morning. But I also wanted to say a huge thank you because on Friday I actually got my silver play button through the mail. I had loads of problems with it because I didn't get like a notification code, and I just wanted to go through it a little bit because some people have been asking me about it, how to claim it, that sort of stuff, and I thought I would talk a little bit about it today. So basically what happens when you hit 100,000 subscribers, YouTube will like send you a notification on the dashboard and it will say, congratulations, you've hit 100,000 subscribers. To claim your play button, you need to like take this code and enter it into like this link that they send you. I didn't get that, like for some reason they don't know why I didn't get it, but I didn't get that notification, so they sent it to me manually. But that's exactly how you claim it. Then they'll take your address and they will make it out to you and send it out to you. That then takes about anywhere between 4 to 5 weeks, somewhere around there, and then you will receive your play button. As you guys know, I have been wanting one forever, and I honestly never thought that I would get it. And now that I've got one, I'm just going to put it up in my hallway so that everyone who comes into my house can see it, because I'm so proud of it and I just want to show everybody who comes to my house that I have one. And even if they don't know what YouTube is, which quite a lot of people that I know in real life don't even know what YouTube is, I just want to tell everybody because I'm so excited. So this is the box that it comes in. It comes in this big black box. I did actually remove all my address and everything off it. It was just here. Luckily for this type of box, it did come off pretty easy. This one here, not so much. But this is the black box that it came in. It then kind of split up and opened. I have already opened it and showed everyone, and my mum took pictures and she sent it to everybody and everything. But basically it comes with this big foam kind of sheet, and then inside of that is just a letter from YouTube.
Yeah, that's right. I'm totally out of breath because I just talk so much. Like, I get so excited and can't stop talking, and then I just get tired of even like speaking. Like, I have no breath left. But now I'm doing the exact same thing again, so I'm just gonna get right back into the video.
Yeah, inside of that then is this letter from YouTube. It just says, congratulations on getting 100,000 people to subscribe to your channel. Like, you know, sense of humor, you've done great, blah, blah, blah. Thank you very much, I love it. But this is what we really want. This is just so amazing, and I'm so grateful to actually have one. Honestly, like, I don't feel like I deserve to get this, and the fact that I now have one, I just feel so grateful. And yeah, I just don't know, this is gonna look so good in my hallway. It's gonna look so good. But basically it comes in this white kind of clear package, all nicely bundled in there. It's quite heavy actually. On the packet it does say it's £3. Comes in there, and then it looks like this. Do you see it? That middle bit there is a mirror. I wonder if you can see it yourself. Right, hold on. That's my calendar.
I couldn't see a single thing whilst I was filming this because I don't have my glasses on. But look, that's you right there. That's you in the video.
Over there. Bah. Can you see it? Is that yourself? on a little try.
I mean, bless me. I'm still trying here. I'm just trying my best and I just can't see anything.
Tripod on my shelf. Can you see it? God knows, but there's a sheep over there and there's some pasheen up there, and I'm gonna stop that.
Thank goodness.
But basically this bit here is mirrored, which is super cool because hello, everybody's kind of looked at themselves in it. It says presented to Chelsey DIY for passing 100,000 subscribers, with the YouTube kind of logo and everything at the bottom. I think this is absolutely beautiful. I like it so much better than the old one. I know some people were really confused that mine looks so different to like the old play buttons, but this is the new one that was launched this year, and I'm super grateful to have it. Like, so grateful. Thank you so much to everybody who has clicked that button. I know for a fact that I will never get a gold one because 1 million is just way too much. I'm not even sure if I want 1 million subscribers. That I cannot even comprehend that in my mind, because 100,000, I can't even put that into words. 100,000 people, that's like more people that live where I live. Like, what? I'm getting sidetracked again. But basically, yeah, this is my play button. It is felted like on the back with like 2 little kind of hanging holes, which I'm gonna hang it up in my hallway. And yeah, that's all I have to say. I got my play button. I'm super grateful for it. I couldn't have done it without every single one of you hitting that subscribe button. And yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling on and let you get on with your day. But thank you so much, and just know that you guys mean so much to me and all my family as well. Like, my family are like so proud of me for doing it, but so grateful that other people are responding to it as well. So thank you for subscribing for me and for my family. So yeah, I'm gonna go, and hopefully my laptop's gonna turn up this evening and I'll be back with the DIY tomorrow. But yeah, fingers crossed, and yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!